Hey traders, this is Ron at Market Tamer. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys had a great day. As always, everything in this presentation is for educational purposes only. I'm going to try to stay very focused and keep this video short because we do have news today about the House trying to impeach the president. Market, in case of the Qs, was only down about 1.34%. It wasn't down that much, but you know what did happen? Volume rose, albeit only from the average of 30 million up to 40 million. The 30 million is this gray line. That's the 50-day moving average of volume. So we're about 10 million over that, a third over it or so. But we broke the 50-day, and that's the issue. Bearish engulfing and breaking the 50-day. This does turn the daily charts bearish. Target now would be down at some of these lows, so 180 to 182. Then the 200-day is going to be coming in here. We're going to have to wait and see till tomorrow if this is a one-day event or if there's going to be some follow-through. If we take a look at the SPY, it was down less than 1%. It had bearish engulfing, but it T-boned right off the 50-day. So it did not break the 50-day. The Qs look worse, but not the S&P, but we got bearish engulfing, but we're not below the 50-day. Right? So if we get below the 50-day, then we come back down to the 285, I would say 282 area. Take a look at the Dow via the diamonds. It was down only 0.43%. If I zoom in, you can see technically we did do bearish engulfing. It barely finished below its 20-day, didn't even touch its 50-day. So I would say this, going into Tuesday, absolutely caution is warranted, but the charts aren't actually that bad just yet. You will have some folks say, oh my God, they're going to say blah, 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 this, blah, 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 that. Oh, this is a double top. The end of times are near. Yeah, well, they've been saying that for quite some time. And how long have they been wrong? Exactly. Maybe they'll be right this time. Even a blind squirrel finds a nut once in a while. I just try to take it day by day. Yes, we have a double top formation on the daily chart. Yes, we're coming down. Yes, there's really bad news out there, but they really thought the president was going to be impeached. Would the Dow only be down 0.38%? I'd probably say not. So let's just wait and see. We're not going to get political here, but it is news dry. It is a news event. So we'll just watch it day by day and just trade what we see and try to tune out all the noise. We take a look at the VIX, $VIX.X. It did shoot up today. We got above 17. That is a bullish breakout, but again, it's on the heels of the news. So just caution walking into tomorrow. Qs is the only one that is bearish. Now, really quick, here is Apple. Just to keep an eye on this, Apple did bearish engulfing over the previous day. We now have 3 out of 5 days selling pressure. We still cannot get back up to that previous high. Apple just doesn't do that well. It doesn't fall apart, but it doesn't surge into the end of September. Once we get into October, then it starts coming back to its bullish bias. So we talked about that product announcement, how there's usually no follow-through. Well, so far, there's been no follow-through. Funny how that seasonality works. Here is Amazon. Amazon did break down, bearish engulfing, and took out the lows at 1750, which I've been telling you guys to watch. This is a technical breakdown. Target 1700. It's only like 40 bucks lower, another 2%, but then we go back down towards the March lows. Taking a look at the Google, GOOGL, bearish engulfing, yeah, but it's still above the 20-day. Really quickly, ISRG, Intuitive Surgical, did break out, big volume today, double its normal volume. Target is now back up there in the upper fives, 585, 590. And then I had a question on Lyft and Uber. Lifting down. The lift is not up, it is down. New lows since the IPO. And then here is Uber, almost new lows since its IPO. Both aren't doing well at all. So that's it. Really short video. Let's just see what the aftermarket and tomorrow holds. Right now, caution is warranted. We get below the 50-day on the SPY. Bears will get the edge. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.